Today we're going to cook salmon steak. And with the skin on, I'm going to put the skin on first. And then we fry it, and we are going to add in the onions and the soy sauce. When you are using beef, my mom always marinate, but this is salmon, and salmon always cook very, very fast. So we are going to, it's up to you if you would like to taste it. And then we are going to add in all these ingredients. I added some ginger or luya, L-Y-U-A, and garlic, bawang in Tagalog language, sweet mini peppers, and I will add the seasonings later on. And then, let me add in the seasonings. And we have the herbs de Provence. Mom and I traveled in Europe, as I've mentioned, and my mom and dad traveled as well. And all my brothers and sisters traveled to Europe. And in France, there is an area there that's called Provence. And I also have the organic herbs de Provence, and there's so many seasonings there, and I'm looking at them. And lavender as well. Now you could see the skin on is already almost cooking, and more delightful food recipes of my beautiful and beloved mom, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, are in this her gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about this video, Juanita de Guzman Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, and all my 22 books, yes, 22, including Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex-Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. Available in ebook and Kindle and paperback and hardbound copies. Ebook and Kindle means you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books in your computer quickly. And let's go to our cooking. I think we are going to, let me stabilize my camera. I'm going to try to flip this over, and let me dry our newly washed spatula here, and let me just the aroma of our salmon steak is super delicious already. And then I think we are ready to flip this over. And this doesn't take much time to cook. That time, as soon as we flip that over, it's going to cook quickly. And so I'm going to add in our garlic, our ginger, and our seasoning peppers, and our onions. Lots of onions. Mom said makes our salmon steak super delicious. And then we're gonna add soy sauce, just a little bit, because soy sauce, as you know, is very healthy. So depending upon your taste, and then what I'll do is to keep on stirring all our ingredients, onions, and then our garlic. The aroma of our garlic and onions and kidney peppers, and also the garlic and ginger is super delicious. And the aroma isn't that good. And and then we're going to enjoy this all together. Oh nice. This is already super nutritious, super aromatic, and super yummy. When the skin on is already cooked, it's very easy for the other side to cook as well. And so our salmon steak is almost ready for us to be enjoyed. And we have already cooked rice there. I have cooked the jasmine rice first so that we could enjoy our salmon steak. This is one of my favorites that my mom always cooked. Mom used beef, pork, chicken, and seafood because when my beloved mom and dad were newlyweds, they experienced a great miracle from Saint Anthony. Thank you, Saint Anthony, for saving my beloved parents. And then I wrote a book about the miracles of Ascended Master Anthony to my beloved parents. And I entitled this book, Missing People, Animals, Things, Go to Anthony. And this book is available worldwide as well at Amazon, at Flavors, Barnes and Noble, all bookstores near you, and at my two websites, JGutierrez.com, JGutierrez, USCDNLCD.com. The aroma of our salmon steak is super aromatic, super delicious. And they own a yacht or a huge fishing boat named after Saint Anthony. And my brothers and sisters and I grew up eating fresh seafood, you name it. Big shrimp, giant prawns of shrimp. And when the shrimp and the fish, all kinds of fishes, are fresh, you could eat it raw. And it's very nutritious as well. And if you would like to have a discount on seafood, fresh, wild caught, you could order it online at www.freshseafood.com, and you could get a discount using my name, Juanita, at www.freshseafood.com, or you could call over the phone 1-833-START. Very nice. Our salmon steak is smelling sweet. So deliciously. And let me stabilize the camera, and I'm going to show you the website. Oh my, delicious. You could use my name on here. If you would like to order at www.allpressseafood.com. They have steaks, seafoods, and more, all pressed. And you could call here in New York City, New York, USA, and over the phone, 1-833, that crab. You could use my name anywhere to get a 10% discount, and thank you for all your support. And, oh my goodness, this is super delicious. And I'm going to sprinkle it with lemon as well when we are done, and also some, look at that, tangerine. And let me get the cut lemon. The aroma is super delicious. Now I'm going to squeeze in fresh lemon. In the Philippines, Mom always uses calamansi. And I'm going to squeeze another one. Calamansi. Nice. The aroma is super outstanding now. Super delicious. You're going to love this if I do. Beef steak and salmon steak, the aroma is super inviting and super delicious and super nutritious as well. Never mind the seeds, you could take it out, but we just want the juice, which really makes our salmon steak outstanding. Oh my goodness, this is super delicious. Try this. You're gonna love this. As I do. Salmon steak, Philippine style, is the world's most delicious dish. The royals love this. Canadian. And Princess Megan, if I could mention, knows how to cook. Knows how to cook adobo as well. And our steaks are number one. This is super delicious. And this is done. Wow. Aren't you hungry yet? This is super delicious. The aroma is inviting you, and sit down. Good morning, we're invited my table. This is ready for us to be enjoyed. My mom is the only girl in my family, and that's why she stays home after school. She's always guarded by my grandparents and uncles, and my mom is the first woman ever elected public official in our home chain, and it was my choice rather than my dad. Proposed in family the only public high school where I, first representative for teacher, and was unanimously elected the youngest teacher association president. And then I moved to the city of Manila to the English professor at the University of the Keys. And then I moved all the way here in New York City, New York, where I am. New York City teacher for so many years. Outstanding teacher, president of the Teachers Association, teacher trainer. If I could mention and more in my book, Nanay Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Filipino cuisine. Secret recipes. You're gonna love this idea. It's ready for us to be enjoyed. See you in the next video. We're going to enjoy this all together with rice. And you can see there our rice. Happy cooking. In the Tagalog language, masayang pagluluto po sa inyong lahat. And napakasarap. That's a Tagalog word for super delicious. I love to translate in Tagalog because I wrote Speak Tagalog, a basic primer book, and available worldwide as well. Kain na po tayo. That's a Tagalog word that means come on and eat. Happy cooking. See you in the next video. Enjoy our salmon steak.